She's a bad manager, just as fine as she can be. She can be. Her body measurements are perfect every minute. I get so excited, feel her man be right. Got all the perfect things like she's a bad manager. Ooh, she bad, just as fine as she can be. She's a bad manager, just as fine as she can be. You can't
Ah, come on, it's electric. Come on out.
you got
I know you've been waiting for this dance all night.
ooh, it's shocking.
Ah, yes, we got it now. Come on now. Baby wobble, baby wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble. All right, come on now. We're rocking with DJ Latif right now. I gotta see somebody's hands clapping. Where's those hands at? Who got some baby mouth? Who got some baby mouth? Let's see all my single ladies come out into the dance floor. Wait. Sing. Stand up, brother. Stand up. Welcome, brother. That is no longer your girlfriend. That is no longer your fiance. That is your wife now.
That is your wife.
You're gonna have to dance to her. If you want to see her dance to her, make some noise. You got it? I got something for you to, go ahead, man. Go ahead and sing it and get loose. Because at this time, I need all of my single fellas out on the dance floor. Come on out, single guys. Single guys, come on out to the dance floor. Ooh. And 3! Now come on, let's give them a big round of applause. You know what you gotta do? All right, let's walk this way. Come talk with me. Can't nobody hear this. This is just me and you talking, brother, all right? I'm gonna play a song. When that song comes out, you're gonna have to dance to it. Do not rush. Take your time. Okay? Give her a chance to look at you. Go ahead now. Go ahead and drop to your knees now. Let her look at you. Let her see you.